In today's video, I'll discuss the differences between ButcherBox and Omaha Steaks. Watch till the end to know the final verdict on which is better. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. First, let's start with the differences. The main difference between them is the menu variety. Omaha Steaks offers a wide range of options, including over 10 steak varieties, cured meats, sausages, chicken, brats, veal, pork, turkey, and prepared dishes like chicken fried steak, desserts, and sides. ButcherBox, while not as extensive, provides 5 box options featuring high-quality seafood, poultry, beef, and pork. Thus, Omaha Steaks wins in terms of menu selection. Regarding pricing, Omaha Steaks is known for its higher price point. For instance, a 4-pound prime pork rib costs around $300, and home delivery adds $19.99 for orders over $169. In contrast, a 9 to 14-pound custom box from ButcherBox costs about $159, and a monthly subscription of 8.5 to 11 pounds of meat is around $137 with no shipping fees. ButcherBox is therefore the cheaper option. A significant difference is that ButcherBox operates on a subscription model, while Omaha Steaks is a one-stop shop, like a local butcher, without subscription commitments. ButcherBox is more convenient for delivery, whereas Omaha Steaks offers a wider variety of meat options. Do they have any similarities? Yes, both brands offer high-quality, flavorful meat and excellent customer service. It's easy to place an order with either brand, and they handle issues effectively. To sum up, which is better, ButcherBox or Omaha Steaks? While I appreciate Omaha Steaks' wide variety, ButcherBox is better for offering great quality meat at a lower price, with various subscription plans and free shipping. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.